Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can draw trend channels and use it for day trading, analyzing the daily trend in MCX crude oil 3-minute candlestick chart. And yesterday we had drawn few trend channels, and let's see the performance of that, and then we will draw a few trend channels for today. And we had drawn this trend channel, and yesterday you could see that the price, after taking resistance in the midline, it came down. After breaking the lower bottom, it went for big selling. So to a certain extent it looks that it helped us a lot. Let's go back to the next trend channel. How we had drawn this trend channel, if you want to know, go back to the YouTube channel and play the video playlist, then you will find that the second trend channel also, you could see the price finding some support here, again breaking this. It's increasing the momentum on the selling side, since because the price failed to maintain the upper trend channel. So again the second trend channel also would have been of certain use for us. The third trend channel, you could see it's a quite a long-term trend channel we had marked. So the midline, the price initially taking support. Along with that, after breaking this, it came down for some selling. So it indicated, the three trend channels indicated that when the trend is changing from buying to selling, so it's a sort of quite a useful way for analyzing this diagonal support and resistance line. Now let's go back and see how we can draw a few trend channels for today. This is the first trend channels. So how we had drawn this trend channel, we had picked the high created here, here and here, and we had matched with the midline. You could see a trend on the top is prevailing. Now yesterday the market came down and tested the lower point. We had fixed the trend also. So if you see that today the price is expected to open somewhere near 5100. So in order for the market to maintain its buying, the momentum on this trend channel, it should move above 5100. And if it is not happening, it will take resistance and come and test the lower bottom. So it should act as a support. If the price is going to fail this lower red line, it will go for short term selling. So it's a quite useful trend channel. Let's go back and draw the few another trend channels. Okay, this is other trend channel. How we had drawn this trend channel, we had picked some these points where the trend deviated, and you could see after the change in trend momentum here, the price left this upper band and it found some support here, and now it's trading within this. So what it means is that the price should continue this lower band zone. So we had projected this trend channel. In what way it will be useful? It will, if the price is finding resistance in this violet line, it means that it's more likely to come and test the bottom support. If the price is going to fail the bottom support, then it's going to be a short term selling. If the momentum is good, the price will follow this trend channel, and it will move sideways within these trend channels. So it's again a critical trend channel. So let's go and see. Every day we should draw 3 trend channels, and this is the another trend channel. How we had drawn this, we had picked this area where the trend changed, and this is again the same story. We want to try to see where the price, how the price is moving, whether it is moving along with the trend sideways or it's trying for a correction. So the same thing, the bottom blue should act as a support, and this will act as a resistance, violet. So if I put all these things together, it may look confusing, but the point is very clear. So these are all the diagonal support and resistance line. The red line is a critical bottom. So once the price opens in this area, we need to find how the price is trading a resistance here. So let's see how things are going today. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.